What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a cauliflower au gratin. It's a great alternative to potatoes to save some calories, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by shredding your cheese. I use Gruyere. A lot of recipes call for Parmesan, so it's really up to you, but I use Gruyere, and it was amazing. So then we're going to take our cauliflower, and we're going to cut the stem out, and then we're going to cut these into slices, so basically like potato slices, because we're going to lay them down for the cooking process. But basically, when you make potatoes au gratin, they're cut into like little flat pieces. So we're going to do the same thing with our cauliflower. And then anything that was left over, I put in the bowl. So then after we've shredded all of our cheese, we're going to put that in a bowl, do our salt and pepper, our parsley, and then our minced garlic, and mix it all together. And you want to mix it until it's all very well combined. After it's all mixed, we're going to take our casserole dish and we're going to butter it just so that it doesn't get, nothing like really sticks to the bottom, and also make sure your dish is clean. Mine was not, so I had to wipe it out. So then we're just going to take our cauliflower and we're going to lay it on the bottom and then lay a layer of cheese, and we're going to repeat this 3 times, using up all the cauliflower and the cheese, but we want to make sure that last layer of cheese is on top. So after we've done that, we're going to cover it in foil and put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Put your broth on. So you're going to put your broth on, then you're going to cover it, and then you're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes covered. Once it's been covered for 40 minutes, we're going to take it out and uncover it, and then we're going to recook it for another 30 minutes uncovered. And when it's done, it's going to come out looking like this. Beautiful. And we're literally just going to dump out any of the leftover broth, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, rate, subscribe. This went perfect with the steak bites, which I have on another video on the channel. But bon appetit, y'all.